This tutorial attempts to cover briefly the process of troubleshooting an out-of-balance trial balance report. Some of the most common reasons for an unbalanced trial balance are unrefreshed ledger balances, unbalanced allocations, deleted accounting entries, inappropriate date changes, and regenerated direct bill policies. While it would be impossible to cover all scenarios in this video, we hope to show you how to get started, then how to get assistance. First, we want to approach the most basic fix, recalculating your ledgers. Many times the bank accounts have been reordered and the balances have not properly updated. Return to the ledger and cycle through each account, making sure it is in date order, and click the recalculate icon, the green circle, not the blue circle. Rerun your trial balance to see if that resolved your issue. If you are still out of balance, we will need to find the day or days that are out of balance by utilizing the transaction detail report. The best way to do this is to start by running the current month, preview the report, go to the last page, and see if there is a significant balance. If the current month is out of balance, I can divide my range in half to see which half, if not both, are out of balance. In this way, I continue to cut my time in half until I have found a single day out of balance. Once a single day is found, I need to find out what in that day is causing the issue, which I do by printing and crossing off the debits against the credits. This is an advanced process that may take the assistance of our accounting support team. While we can assist in showing you how to analyze the day, many times we simply have you save the report and email it to us so we can find the issue and provide you guidance on how to resolve it. While you are saving the report, make sure to save it as a RAVE snapshot file. Name it the day you are running, and save it where you can easily find it. Email it to support, being sure to include your agency phone number in the subject line. One of our accounting reps will analyze the day and contact you to help you resolve the issue. If you've just begun this process, hang in there. This is where many agencies really build the familiarity with the inner workings of the accounting system. Once you have found and corrected the issues, you will be more familiar with what actions to avoid in the future and have more confidence in the Agency Pro's accounting workflow.